Across the vast landscapes of our planet, humans have cultivated a remarkable relationship with a simple leaf, Camellia sinensis. From the mist-shrouded mountains to bustling cities, tea has become a global phenomenon, a source of solace, refreshment, and ritual. Is there anything more comforting than a perfect cup of tea? It transcends cultures and climates, offering warmth in winter and cool respite in summer. From a robust morning brew to a calming evening sip, tea is loved worldwide. Its versatility is astonishing. The same plant yields an incredible spectrum of flavors, colors, and experiences. The delicate dance of oxidation, the precise application of heat, the careful selection of leaves, these transform a humble plant into a cherished drink. Today, we embark on a journey into the heart of the teapot itself. We're exploring how to make 3 delicious types perfectly, each with its own unique character and story. Prepare to discover the subtle nuances that can transform your daily cup into an extraordinary experience. Let's dive in. Our first exploration takes us to the British Isles, where tea is an institution. The Classic British Cuppa, perfect for a strong, comforting brew. Typically a robust black tea blend from Assam, Ceylon or Kenya. Start with freshly drawn cold water, bring it to a rolling boil. Warm the teapot, then add tea leaves or a tea bag. Pour the boiling water over the tea, cover and steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Pour into cups, add milk and sugar to taste. Enjoy your classic British cuppa. Cheers! We now journey eastward to lands where tea cultivation is an ancient art form. Next, a refreshing green tea like Japanese Sencha. The key here is water temperature. Green tea is a delicate creature. Its leaves are typically steamed or pan-fired shortly after harvesting to halt oxidation. The ideal water temperature for most green teas hovers between 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. Achieving this requires a little care. Use a kettle with a temperature control setting or let boiled water cool for a few minutes. Pour the water over the green tea leaves, usually placed in a small teapot. Use 1 teaspoon per cup. Steep for 45 seconds to 1 minute. The resulting liquor should be a beautiful, pale green or yellowish green. Green tea is typically enjoyed without milk or sugar. High-quality green teas can be infused multiple times. Each subsequent steeping reveals slightly different nuances of flavor and aroma. Enjoy the pure, unadulterated flavor of green tea. Our final destination takes us to India, the birthplace of a brew that is a symphony of flavors and aromas. Chai means tea in Hindi, but masala chai is what the world knows. The heart of masala chai lies in its blend of spices. Common spices include ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and peppercorns. Simmer the spices in water, then add black tea leaves. Add milk and sweetener to taste. Bring to a gentle simmer, then strain into cups. Enjoy your homemade spiced chai. From the robust embrace of a British cuppa through the delicate subtleties of Japanese Sencha to the aromatic warmth of a homemade spiced chai, we have journeyed through a small fraction of the vast world of tea. Each cup tells a story, a narrative of culture, tradition, and the remarkable versatility of a single plant. The techniques we've explored are starting points, invitations to experiment and discover your own perfect cup. The true joy of tea lies in the mindful ritual of its creation. We hope this inspires you to explore the wonderful world of tea further. Seek out new varieties, experiment with different brewing methods, and find your own perfect cup. Venture forth armed with your kettle and your curiosity. May your water always be the right temperature and your cups full of warmth and comfort. Enjoy your brewing adventures and may each sip bring you peace and pleasure. Happy tea time from another how-to guru. What's your favorite way to make tea? Share below, like and subscribe.